A classical Chinese garden. It has all the traditional elements, but when you take a closer look, some unique features appear. I'm standing in the courtyard of 3D printed residential building which holds exquisite features of woven lands and scenic gardens here in the city of Suzhou. All of these were printed in just 1 week, according to this man. He swears by 3D printing technology, saying it's about to start a revolution.
Compared to traditional building methods, the technology, first of all, will not generate any construction waste, and secondly, it enables developers to cut costs by at least 50%.
But how does that work? Ma says the secret lies in the printer's capabilities and the ink or print materials. What we have here is a very big 3D printer. With it, many construction components and even a house can be printed within a very short time. The printing process starts with automated printers spraying layers of the ink. The combination of recycled construction waste and cement. They can produce customized building components of all shapes and sizes, something hard to do the traditional way.
All the building steps are digitalized and carried out by robot printers even on site. That will build more quality houses with better control.
Most materials the 3D printer use are recycled and are said to be environmentally friendly, but some wonder if there are any negative effects and how long will the printed buildings stand. Ye Beihong specializes in building material research and says the 3D print ink can be viewed as traditional cement with reinforced contents.
It has a better anti-crack property for its added fibers. And for the recycled solid waste, we put an extra index to detect and prevent possible radiation.
Despite researcher praise, Ye remains cautious over the materials, saying current 3D printing technology needs unified standards as well as the traditionally reinforced concrete structure. And developers say they will start small.
We will print infrastructure construction first, like bus stations, public toilets, and affordable houses in rural areas.
His latest works include a printed office in Dubai, which he says can bear 28 tons of weight. That's 3 times the same size of the traditional house. He believes eventually such technology will play even bigger roles. Now we see small printed houses like these, but in the foreseeable future, communities of 3D printed buildings may become commonplace. Zheng Yibing, CGTN, Suzhou in Jiangsu province.